Hello, Aquarius. I'm going to be doing your tarot card reading from the 8th to the 14th of May 2020. I've already shuffled the cards, meditated on them, and spread them out so that we can straight away get cracking on your reading. The week opens with some kind of discontentment because there are some delays regarding some project that you have been involved in. Perhaps you've put in a lot of hard work to get there, but in order to achieve success or to reach your goals, and in order for things to come to fruition, it's taking some time. Um, you might have sought advice from someone, or it's you that has given advice to someone, to get on a certain path. You might have offered a job to somebody, or maybe you're receiving a job opportunity, or an offer of love and commitment from someone. But you seem to be a bit uncertain of taking that offer. Uh, what kind of offer this is, you know best, Aquarius. But it seems that you're very much on guard on accepting this offer, and you're doing your own mental research and you're thinking about strategizing, because you feel that you're actually questioning the integrity and the authenticity of this offer that you're getting. Somehow you feel that you don't trust it, and you might be kind of on guard and watchful about it. So I feel that that is causing that discontent and resentment in you, because there is an uncertainty on the offer that you're getting. Either you're giving the offer to someone or you're getting that offer from someone. But I feel that you will be able to strategize, analyze, and be able to sort of think more clearly, and think of looking at this partnership, because you do feel and you do understand that this partnership is going to take you to a higher level. It is going to bring you benefits. Maybe you're going to get better opportunities. Maybe you're going to get a raise, a promotion, a relationship that you've been looking for a long time. You're finally going to get it. So you know that it is going to take you at the peak of your desire. It is exactly what you're looking for, but it is just that you're so much on guard. You're just you just want to debate about it. You just you're argumentative in your own head that whether this is the right thing for you or not, which is good in a way, I think, Aquarius, because it's better to do your homework, and in your head it's better to think what is right for you and what's not before you plunge into something. So you might be studying every intricate detail of this offer that you're getting, and you're just choosing to lie low. You're not responding, reacting. You haven't given them an answer yet, and you're just waiting for things to be clear in your head first. You're feeling scared, or there is some kind of a fear or doubt in your mind which is preventing you from opening up to this person, Aquarius. I feel that maybe you've got other options, and if you don't have other options, it's just that you're probably just hallucinating too many ifs and buts, and it's distracting you from taking the right course of action. You feel a sense of you feel you're in a position which is challenging. You're very uncertain. You're feeling fear about taking this offer. There's conflict in your mind, and you feel the situation is very challenging. You're looking for better options. You're looking out for a better resolution, whether I should take it, should I not take it. But in your heart, this is the right thing for you. But so I feel that towards the end of the week, I also feel that you do like this person back. And if it's not a love thing, then you are also interested in the offer. It's something that's attracting you, and you want to take that leap of faith. You want to cooperate, and you want to go for it. So I don't see what's stopping you. Aquarius, I think that if you take a leap of faith and you cooperate with people around you, try to take help from friends, take advice from family. Don't let something hold you back. You do love this person, and you are interested in this person, and it is your own self-sabotaging belief system that is preventing you from moving forward and accepting this offer of love. Or it is that somebody is giving, or you're giving this offer of love to someone perhaps, and they are apprehensive of accepting it. So whatever the scenario be, you have the angel's guidance of a magician. So you can manifest whatever it is that you want in life. It is a period for successful beginnings. So let go of every apprehension, every uncertainty, just being on guard, and not being sure about accepting this offer. I think just go for it. Communicate your feelings to this person. Even if you have inhibitions, then communicate that to them. A conversation is required. You need to open up. You need to be, see that there's beauty lying ahead. There's good things lying for you ahead. So you need to open up to the beneficial situation that is there for you. uh, you need to speak up, you need to stand up for what you believe in. It's also possible that you may be restricting yourself out of the fear of being judged by other people, which I don't think is a good idea, because eventually those other people are going to say something to you whether you take this decision or not. So it's not a good idea for you to base your decisions on what other people are saying. You need to find your own purpose. You need to stand up for what you believe in. This is a situation of moral integrity for you, and you need to do what is right for you. You need to live life as per what is good for you, and not as per other people's beliefs and what they think is right for you. So you need to speak up, you need to stand up for yourself, you need to take a decision, and the decision should be in favor, because it is a genuine offer, and I don't see any reason for you not to accept. So you should take a leap of faith, go ahead and accept the offer, and see where it takes you, because um, nothing is permanent in life. So I mean, if you just take baby steps towards what it is that you want in life, and you feel that something's not going wrong, you can always retrace. I mean, I'm talking about worst case scenario, but I feel it's all genuine. I feel that you have all resources supporting you. So you can manifest this thing for you, Aquarius. It seems genuine. So I hope that you will be able to take a good decision. Take your time, there's no hurry, but I feel that by the end of the week you will feel a bit restricted, but I think that discuss this with other people, with friends and family, and just open up. Just open up a little. Don't be too restricted. Don't be too scared. Just open up, and I'm sure once you open up, whatever the situation is, if you start your communication, then you'll be more clear. I feel that there is less communication here. So if you communicate your feelings, and you're able to get the messages across, genuine communication, so then it'll be more clearer for you. So I hope this week is good for you, Aquarius. I hope this resonates with you, and I hope this reading helps you for guidance. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can get regular updates from me. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next week, Aquarius. Till then, have a great week ahead.